What's good, guys? We back at it again with another video. As you can see from the title, I do have a ball handling workout for y'all today. Now, this is partner ball handling, so it's something you could do if, let's say, you're in the gym, you and a teammate, like I used to be in high school, or you're in the gym with a parent, or really anybody who could just pass you the ball. You can also easily complete this without a partner, whether that be going to half court or full court, doing the same moves. I do want to say this, though, the moves that you do see in this video, you don't have to follow them. You can add new things, add new moves into the dribble pattern. This was just something that we used to do every single day to start practice at FGCU. A couple of y'all might be wondering why I'm not in this specific practice that I'm showing y'all, and I answered that question in my D1 basketball story junior year video. Go check that out if you haven't seen it. As y'all know, we're not going to do too much talking. I just started posting these because I want to give you guys an accurate depiction of what ball handling drills look like at the Division I level. And as I continue to find some and coaches send me more, we're going to post them from every single level. Let's jump right into it. This drill begins with 2 sets of side-to-side dribbles with each hand. Then you're going to go on the move, passing the ball to your partner and alternating the hand that you're dribbling with every time. After you get to half court or full court, whichever you choose, you can switch with your partner and do the same thing on the way back. Back on the baseline, now you have a side-to-side into a tween or between the legs. 2 sets of this, then you're on the move again. Remember to change hands with every pass. Same thing on the way back. Remember to keep your eyes up and maintain the same level of intensity the entire time you're dribbling the basketball. Last move, you're going to start to put it all together. Side, side, tween, now adding the behind the back. Remember, you have 2 sets of this, then you're on the move. It's okay to mess up. Just keep it game speed the entire time. This drill was meant to be done with a partner, but of course you can always do it by yourself without the pass, going to either half court or full court. Also, be creative. You can add in different moves to your dribble pattern.